Hi, I'm Gabriel, and I've been working with Diana, Nile, Jordan, and James on the Torpedo team this semester. So our goal as a team is to design a torpedo and launch mechanism that can fit onto Alfie and that can shoot a torpedo through a small hole on a game board during the competition. And the goals that we had for this spring, after making substantial progress in the fall, were to finalize the launcher design and the mechanism that releases the torpedo, and finalize the torpedo body and the shapes to maximize our efficiency and straightness.
All right. Yeah. So this semester we tested many different spring-based launching mechanisms. For example, the door release prototypes used a door which could be actuated by a servo to launch a torpedo. Another prototype was the bolt torpedo, which used a nut inside the torpedo, along with the bolt attached to the launching tube to release the tension in the spring. To achieve this, we had to use the process of 3D printing in place, where a metal net is placed inside the torpedo while it is printing. While experimentation with different body styles is still happening, it became clear that torpedoes with dull-shaped noses and fins that are flush to the body perform the best during our testing. However, finding where these torpedoes are neutrally buoyant still proves to be a challenge. To integrate this whole launch mechanism onto Alfie, we use SolidWorks FEA tools to make sure that our launching mechanism could withstand the force of our spring, and we designed brackets that allowed us to mount the launching tube on the Alfie's belly pad.
Going forward, we have a lot of goals. First, we want to be able to analyze our different launch mechanisms and all the prototypes and choose the best one to move forward with because we haven't really settled on one yet. Next, we need to fine-tune and prototype said mechanism, test it on Alfie in the air and in the water, and iterate as necessary. And then we're going to continue to test different torpedo bodies, experimenting with different length to wish ratios, as well as the buoyancy that Jordan was talking about. We found that the different ratios between length and width had a large impact on how straight they went. And then finally, we plan to design the capability to launch 2 torpedoes simultaneously, whether it be from the same tube or from 2 different tubes, because ultimately we have the ability to launch 2, and that's how we can score the maximum amount of points. So that is our end goal.